Welcome to another powerful lessons in mathematics today. Remember, for those of you who have not met me before, my name is Emmanuel Eduzi. I teach mathematics nationwide and globally. I teach test keys nationwide and globally, and I mentor youths and young adults everywhere across the globe. In case you have not met me before or you have not been following our series on mathematics today, I want to present a mathematics class to everyone who is interested in mastering lines, diagrams, shapes in mathematics. And I want to use past question, okay? So that anytime WAEC, GCE or any O-level mathematics gives you a question regarding lines, shapes and diagrams, you are not put off. I want you to be happy. So let's start today's lesson as we consider, I've treated alternate angles before, and today I want to continue using another past question to explain to you with more clarity how to handle questions involving alternate angles in mathematics. Are you ready? Okay, let's go on. Let's go on. I want you to look at this question. Now, it says, look at it. Find the value of S in the diagram. Look at this diagram. It's a wire question, and this is X. This is angle 260 degrees, which means from here, look at it, from to this point is 260 degrees. Now, they want us to find the value of X, and we're also given 30 degrees here. Now, look at the options given to you. If you know the key points we have been emphasizing concerning alternate angles, you don't need to solve or write anything. You don't need to solve or write anything before you pick your option, the correct option. Now, let me help you. Watch it now. I want you to look at M. Look at where we wrote M. This M is alternate to X. So if you know M, you have known X, which you are told to find. Okay? Now, but how do we get M? Now look at N here. N is alternate angle to angle 30 degrees. So N degree is equal to 30 degrees. Look at it here. Why? Because they are alternate angles. So N is equal to 30 degrees. Now, since N is equal to 30 degrees, and here, this angle, look at it here, from here to here is 260 degrees. Then we can know M, because if you total the whole angle at this point together, don't forget, is 360 degrees. Is it not? So add M and N and 260 degrees, you will have 360 degrees. So since N is equal to 30 degrees, add 30 degrees here to 260 degrees, you have 290 degrees. Is it not? So subtract it from 360 degrees and you will have what your M is. And whatever M is what S is. Are you happy? Okay, go to work and get what angle S degree is. Okay, thank you. Or do you need more explanation? Do you understand or you want more explanation? Now, I want to treat this question with another method. In case the other method you didn't understand it, I want to do another method for you right now. Are you ready? Look at it. Don't be confused. Watch it now. Find the value of X in the diagram. Look at the diagram. Look at X here. Okay, now from the sketch, look at the sketch here. N is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, look at N here. Is alternate to this 30 here. So N is also equal to 30 degrees. Okay, now but N plus N is equal to 360 degrees minus 260 degrees. Look, the total angle here is 360 degrees. Now, but only this place is 260 degrees. So, M plus N is equal to 360 degrees minus 260 degrees, which is 100 degrees. Okay? Now,
m will be equal to 100 minus 30 because m is 30 degrees, is it not? So what is m? M is 70 degrees. But S is equal to M. Angle S here that we are told to find is equal to M. Two of them are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. So X is equal to 70 degrees. Okay?
So how was your experience? Which of the two methods do you prefer? Now, I want you to write in the comments the method 1 or method 2, because they all led to the same answer. Okay? Or if you understood the two methods very well, write your comments so that we can help more students nationwide. Don't fail to subscribe. Don't fail to like it. Hit the notification bell so that more people can enjoy what you are enjoying. Do you understand? This is A, making A in mathematics nationwide. Okay? I'm excited. Have a wonderful time. Bye.